mets la tête dans le sable quand j'essaie de m'élever. J'entends le daron me dire ouais t'as ça dans les veines mon petit. Je le vois quand tu montes sur la scène. Et pendant tout ce temps-là mes lunettes cachent mes cernes.
Hey babes, welcome to my channel. It's Eva, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I created a DIY Halloween costume, a glam spider. I'm not a big fan of traditional Halloween costume, so I created a current, updated glam spider. I only spent $10 and I used some clothes that I had already in my closet. So are you ready? Let's get started. I begin by using Irresistible Me hair extensions Royal 1B for nice natural volume. For makeup, I'm gonna use Face Arts Decor on eyes and lips. For my eyes, I'm gonna use eyeshadow palette by Nip and Fab. Number 2, it's called Fired Up. I love this cinnamon shade so much. So spicy, so Halloween. And under my eyes, I'm gonna use this amethyst, amazing color. It makes the look so fierce, gorgeous shade. And now I'm gonna use this shade, which is called Dawn, under my eyebrows, and I will finish up with this gold bronze color for a J-Lo vibe. Love it. Upper lid and under the eye. Look how amazing. Love the bronze vibes, so glam. And now mascara, yes. The more mascara, the better, because we need this fierce look during Halloween, don't we? Moving on to the lips. I'm going for dark wine color. And now my favorite part. I will use the Face Art Decor. So easy, so simple. Wow. I bought this at Claire's. They have so many amazing things that you can use on your face. Easy, quick, and you're gonna impress everyone. Look at this little spider, love it. And the super glam part over my eyebrows. These little cuties to add glam to this major spider vibe. And yes, I need fierce, super fierce lips. Don't have much time to spend on makeup, so boom. You just stick them on your lips and you have instantly super, super fierce lips. What do you think? Moving on to the costume, I had this crop top and cycling shorts and tiny boots already in my closet. So this whole look was already in my closet. I got this spider cape from Claire's, which I didn't wear like that, but I transformed it to a nice strapless mini dress. I just added a belt and voila! My costume, Spider Glam costume, is ready. What do you think? So comfy, so current, and I only spent $10 for the cape and for the face decoration. How amazing! What do you think, guys? Do you like it? I feel so comfortable wearing this Halloween.
So babes, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and leave all your comments below. Do you like the costume? What are you gonna dress up this year? Till next time.